It's a 2018 Toyota Camry. Bold, reliable, efficient. If these are adjectives you'd use to describe yourself, then this Camry is the perfect fit for you. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Smart device navigation, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, selective service internet access, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Camry, Edmunds.com highlights the comfortable and spacious interior with above-average rear seat space, good visibility, and user-friendly interior controls. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Family-owned and operated Thayer Chevrolet Toyota has been exceeding expectations since 1935. We're conveniently located at 1225 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.